take it apart, Ty's truck. We're gonna get this ready for Festival of Speed. Get this is gonna be one of the fastest trucks out there. It's gonna beat all the Bugattis and Porsches.
How are you liking the floating truck?
I don't know, I can't see anything but a logo. I'm really liking it though. It's better than I was expecting. I'm excited. I can't wait to see it at night with headlights hitting all that reflective.
Oh yeah, not sun.
It's gonna pop.
This is what's up. We're out here. This is Spanish Fork Airport. It's an event we help throw on every year. Festival of Speed. Throwing some stickers up on all the cars right now to get them ready for the half-mile event. And we're rocking and rolling.
You got your award. This is the second year in a row, but this is the 2021 Wings and Wheels champion. Put it around your.
All right.
Yeah.
Dude, that's weighty, Rich.
Yeah,
that's weighty.
It's substantial. It's quality.
Oh, my Bieber shirt. You guys got my Bieber shirt, right?
I've lost my title. Isn't the deal that he has to wear that every time he drives his Bugatti?
That's right.
Next year?
I'm not taking this off for the next year.
No.
Yeah.
Until next year.
All right.
Dude, he's the winner. I mean, I'm sorry, James, your car's just slower.
I know. I got the slow car here.
I'm sorry that you brought the slow Bugatti.
The slow Bugatti.
That's a good look for you, Ron.
Your neck's gonna be sore, bro.
Did you feel it? It's like real solid gold, right?
Oh, it's real gold, yeah.
This was $400,000.
Exactly.
460, but who's counting?
What can be faster than a Chiron for next year? In the comments below, what should I buy for next year, right? It was faster than a Chiron.
That's gonna be a tough one.
A Chiron Super Sport.
But the bumps, though, I think the Chiron's still gonna be better on bumps.
I know.
A flat road, I think the Huracan, you make 1,800 horsepower with one of those, you could dominate.
Yeah, as long as you don't spin.
Oh, did I lose you, Jeff? Makes a hook up.
$38,000 taken out by 5 cents.
If only I could talk to the guy who left that on the road. Oh, I don't get angry very often, Nate, but when I do.
Angry twice.
Wait, what? No, you haven't.